Good morning, January 6th, I believe, 2021. We're pretty much fully locked down again, and I wanted to just make a video about some cycling bits that I've got, the first bits that I bought for my new adventures with road cycling. I'm going to have a look and see how interested I am in it and how well it sticks. I've got this tendency to dive into so many new things and then not keep up with them. So I've been a little bit cautious with this one, but you do need some bits of kit, and that's what I want to show you this morning. Let's go in order of what I bought. So I got these are clipless pedals, and if you're into cycling you'll already know about this, but if you're not, you won't necessarily. So I think it's interesting to have videos for beginners, made by beginners sometimes, because we don't mind covering what you think is obvious. So I've got some metal clips in there. Let me show you what one looks like that's been very well worn. It does clip in and out okay, and I've fallen off twice while practicing in a safe environment. You get your feet clipped in basically, and if you don't twist and unclip quickly enough, you can't put your feet down and you just fall over. Yeah, it's a thing. So I guess it's like ski lifts in a way. Once you get it, you've got it. So that's one without, and that's effectively what I've got. No more yellow left on this, so I'm basically standing on the harder sort of stuff too. But I want to save these for when I get my proper shoes. These are the shoes that I've just got at the moment. They don't fit me perfectly, so I'm going to get a new pair of shoes and probably put these on. I don't want to put these on just yet because I'm managing to get my feet out with these. Whether when they're older it's harder or not, I don't know, so we'll find out. But I'm just about managing with these, so I want to just carry on with them for the moment. So that's the clipless pedals cleats. You can find them on sites like eBay, Amazon. They're not more than £5 generally, so they're fine. Next on the list of things that I bought, this I didn't buy. This is a friend's lent me this so that I can get out on the road. A couple of tyre. You need a minimum of 2 to change a tyre and tube on the road, hence why I've got some tubes. And a multi-tool. Now I'm quite interested to know what your thoughts are on multi-tools, because it's quite a heavy, I mean, it's not bulky for what it does. I think this one does 11 things in one, but more than half of these things are not going to be useful on my road bike. Some of the hex ones will, so for adjusting the seat, but the wheels all come off with just a hand. You don't need any tool at all. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to benefit from a whole one of these. It does have a chain. Does this one have a chain tool? No, this one doesn't have a chain tool. But I don't know that I'm going to be capable of changing a chain anyway, and how often that happens, you know. So I'll take my mobile out and hopefully not breaking down with the chain issues, but you never know, touch wood. So that's a multi-tool, which you kind of need something. This Rolson one has got a puncture repair kit in, so you don't actually necessarily need a tube. You can repair the one you've got by the side of the road, but most people tend to just take 2 tubes if they're going on long rides, or 1 tube if they're or no tubes if they're a really risky person. I've just got 3, so my wheels are 700 by 23, so Presta valves, and the thing missing from this pile is a mini pump. Of course you need a mini pump, so a couple of those or one of those will go into the next item, which is a saddlebag. I shopped around, well, I looked around, did a bit of research on these, tried to find one that was quite waterproof. I don't want something too massive, but at the same time I'm not worried if it's slightly large. I'm not so minimalistic and into the sport at this point where I'm worried about looking like one of those people who's, you know, just got tons of storage. So I'll get my tubes in there, my mini pump and the toolkit, and mobile phone maybe, and maybe some gels, and that's that. So the next thing, quite basic, but I didn't have a water bottle come with mine. I've got this one that I found on Amazon, and it should be able to be operated one-handed. Oh, that's really tight. What have I done with that? Anyway, we'll see how that goes. That slots straight in. I didn't know if they were standard cage size, but they seem to be. So let's get the thing mounted on the bike, and well, we might do that for another video because we don't want to rant on and on and on. Thanks for watching, and have a good day. Let's hope we get out of lockdown and get back to a more normal life soon, and get these vaccines out there, because it's so variable. We're seeing people on social media who are having a whale of a time in other countries. Well, we're very much locked down and suffering. It's really, really quite annoying to see all of that. And yeah, businesses are suffering. My business has definitely suffered this year, and I'm just ready to get rid of this virus and try and build back up again. So hopefully it hasn't affected you too much. So stay safe and take precautions where you can, but try and keep mentally healthy by, you know, talking to people and getting out for walks, whatever you can do to not just exist in the same space. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you find it interesting. If you don't, just find the next video. Thanks, bye.